Hey, welcome guys. So this video we are going to see that how can you make spin current. So if you have some research background, like, and if you are doing research, so you need to make. So if you are doing research in spintronics, so we require to make the spin current, like, so how can you show this the charge of an electron and the spin of an electron for your research paper? So how can you make that? So we can make through software which is easily available in Windows 10, which is Paint 3D. So to open Paint 3D, and we are going to make spin of an electron, and we will show that, and like this, like what is unpolarized current, what is spin polarized current, what is fully spin polarized current, and what is pure current. So we will be going to make this kind of chart using Paint 3D. So it's your own uh, picture which you can put in your research paper. So first you open this Paint 3D, and now what I'm going to do, I will look for 3D shapes. So here we have this circle, sphere in 3D. So we are going to plot this like this one. So this is shows an electron. Okay, and what you can do, you can change the color, whichever color you want to do. Also you can use this 5 color option, like gloss, matte, dull metal, and polished metal, to make it like like in a real way, so it acts as a reality. So now we have electron. Now what we need arrow sign, as you can see, like this, up and down. So we require that. So what we are going to do, so we will take this pyramid first and keep it like this. We will take arrow color, so we will fix it here. You can make it here. So, and what we will do, this will act both as the up spin or down spin. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let's first of all copy this one. Let's select whole and click on Control C, then Control V. So you have up and down spin. Okay, so what we need to do, now we will put it here like this and tilt it a little bit like this, moving from here to here. So in this way we get this. So we also, you can do, if you go for 3D view, you can, so click on here multi select option. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it in between the sphere like this one, and also you can choose exactly where do you want to make this. So it's going inside the sphere, and this in the middle part. Okay, so if you click on this, you will get this one. Okay, so as you see, it's going upward more. You can reduce it like this. So we got this one. Now what I can do, I can just copy this whole thing. So for selecting that, you can also do multi select option and Control C and Control V. So I got this one. We don't require this thing, delete it. And now again I have to do multi select, and what you can do, you can just flip it this way, and okay, like this one. So we have made, I think, let's do something like this. So if you want to show this like a 3D view of the pyramid, what you can do, you can make it like this one. So you will get the most 3D part here. What I will do here, I will move it little bit here like this. So we are saying, okay, there is 3D view and it will impact your figure very much. So in this way you can make your spin current and you can put it in your research paper. I hope this will be helpful to you. So if you like this video, like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such interesting video. Thank you.